Hey guys, and we have unboxing images of the S25 series coming in from Reddit. So first thing first, we have a new package design, definitely better than those hideous flat 2D renders on the front. It looks good. This one is Samsung S25 in greyish gold color with matte glass finish. The most exciting color is this navy blue of S25 Plus, which you guys can also get in the non-plus model. And then we have the titanium silver blue color of the S25 Ultra. This kinda similar to the special edition color of the S24 Ultra. The corners are now roundish and the camera ring is similar to the one of Fold 6. The standard S25 and Plus variant are coming in 6.2 inch and 6.8 inch display size. Samsung still using a 1080p resolution in the base S25, which is quite disappointing. You better get a OnePlus or Xiaomi and skip the base one.
Water is always getting into something.
The S25 Plus, however, is coming with a 1440p high resolution display and 4900 mAh battery. So those are some decent specifications. It's still not anything similar to OnePlus or Xiaomi with 6000 mAh battery, but yeah, still Samsung did fine there. This is Samsung's most powerful 8 Elite flagship, the S25 Ultra. So this is 6.9 inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display with high resolution, 120Hz refresh rate and 2nd gen anti-reflective Corning armor glass. So we still have a boxy rectangular look. The edges, however, are not as sharp as the one in S24 Ultra, and that is gonna be comfortable. It's not gonna hurt your hands. Alright, so thing to notice, it is running OneUI 7 cause we have a pill-shaped battery icon on top right. Samsung did confirm at SGC that the next Galaxy is gonna have OneUI 7 out of the box.
The memories I'll never forget. So many great moments along the way. I can't wait to see what's next.
In camera is still 200 megapixel Samsung HP2, 10 megapixel 3x, 50 megapixel 5x and a brand new JN3 for ultra wide angle shots. So a new wide angle shooter, rest all is same. This Qualcomm 8 Elite powerful chip which can even play AAA games using Win later. 5000 mAh battery size which Samsung says can last 31 hours when watching movies, which is quite shocking cause even the S24 Ultra can last 30 hours. So again, no too less change in terms of the basic specifications or design, which is quite disappointing. With the same old 5000 mAh battery, the S25 Ultra is simply no match for the 6000 mAh battery inside OnePlus, Xiaomi and even the iPhone. The black and titanium color got gold frame and I see blue and white is coming in silver frame. There are volume rockers and power key on the side, speaker, SIM card trays to the bottom, and there is Spen 2 which you guys can use underwater. Shocking news coming in S25 Ultra's Spen Amazon listing suggests that Samsung is gonna ditch air action. He has that magic wand kind of feature where you can control your Samsung Ultra device by moving your hand and making gestures. So that is not coming cause there's Bluetooth missing in the S Pen, and this surely is the biggest downgrade in the history of S Pen, guys. This is the S25 Slim, which doesn't look slim at all. I mean, even the Galaxy S20 Plus looks slimmer than this thing. Yeah, I guess the reason they are calling it slim is because it is slimmer than the other S25 models, which are really thick. These specifications are decent, like 8 Elite powerful chip, small battery and 200 megapixel main camera. This is all, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Your thoughts in the comment section below and I'll meet you guys in the next one. Like, share, subscribe and peace out.